Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another SHEIN top selling glueless wig to review for you guys. I'm so excited to review this one. They sent it over to me. It's supposed to be a glueless wig, which just means you can throw her on your head and walk out the door within 15 seconds without gluing her down. So if you don't know how to cut lace, glue down your lace, you're a complete beginner, you have zero skills whenever it comes to wigs, this is going to be that wig. So she has a lot of claims. That's one of their claims, and we're going to see how true that is. But she has so many claims. So she has claims that she has an invisible lace. She also claims that she has a pre-plucked hairline. So you know when sometimes you get a wig and it has like that straight across hairline and looks super wiggy? This is supposed to be already pre-plucked so it looks like your own. It also claims that it is human hair. We're going to put that to the test. We're going to take this from straight to wavy and see how well she does with some heat. And if you guys want this wig right now, SHEIN has their March sale going on, which is crazy because they have wigs that are in like a $25 section that only costs $25. They have a section where it's $60, and they also have a section where it's buy one wig, get one completely free. And if you guys want to see other wigs that are in those sections, you can just go over to SHEIN in their search bar and put wigs 11, and it's going to show you all the wigs that is going on into their March sale. If you guys want free gifts with your wig, then you're going to want to make sure you use the coupon code WIGS24 whenever you're checking out. Make sure to use this coupon code. I'll put it here onto the screen, and you're going to get 8 free products for your wig. You're gonna get glue for your wig so you can glue it down. You're gonna get lace tinting mousse, and the mousse looks like, if you don't like invisible lace, you're gonna get a mousse that kind of like tints the lace to this color, which I thought was pretty interesting. So if you like a little bit of color, this one is light brown, the one that I received. You're also gonna get a wax stick and a whole bunch of brushes. Like, you're gonna get so much free products if you use that coupon code, so make sure to use it. Now let's get into the wig and see how realistic this looks and how good it is. All right, so getting into it, this wig cost $130. It is human hair, which is insane. Like, a human hair wig for 130 bucks is just like hard to find. That's the best way I can put it. And plus it's glueless. Like, usually glueless wigs I find cost a little bit more, but this is what she is looking like. I got her in 16 inches. They have two options. You can get her in 14 inches or 16 inches, and it's just like a really natural type of length that you can wear like every single day. So this is going to be an everyday type of wig, and I'll pop the picture right here onto the screen. The hairline in the pictures looks so real, and if we're looking here, let me show you guys a close-up of what this is looking like on my hand. It kind of just like melts into my hand. This is insane. Can't wait to put this onto my head. And you guys can see what I'm talking about whenever I say like the lace is already pre-cut. You guys can see those little bubbles. They do bubbles like this. You can cut this away if you don't like that look. But why they do the bubbles is because apparently, like, whenever you do your lace, you're supposed to do the kind of zigzags, so it blends into your skin a lot more and you can't see the lace. It's really hard to detect the lace whenever they do that. So let's take off this wig and see exactly what this one looks like. I just have my hair in a little bun on the bottom, so yes, I'm gonna have probably like a bulk in the back just because I didn't, you know, braid down my hair or really try and make my hair super flat. And so if you see like a little bulk, it's not the wig, it's my hair. Like, I didn't try hard or anything like that. I have this big kind of ball in the back. So let's put it on. And one of the things I want to mention, because this is a 5x5 lace, which is super important to know if you're trying to get a glueless wig, that you do not have to glue down. 5x5 is what you're going to want. That just means that the lace runs from temple to temple instead of ear to ear. If you get ear to ear lace, which is hard to find, and I like those because I like having that kind of like freedom of putting it behind my ear and whatever, and the lace runs all the way down. But if you guys are a beginner to wigs and you do not want to use glue at all, because I do have to use glue with that, if you want a glueless, completely glueless wig, you're going to want a 5x5, because if it goes temple to temple, whenever the wind blows, you're not going to be able to see any type of lace. The lace is not going to lift. Whenever you have an ear to ear type of lace, the lace always, if you do not glue it down and there's wind, or you go to move your hair, the lace is going to flip backwards. So if you have a 5x5 where it's temple to temple, it doesn't matter if there's wind, it doesn't matter if you go to move your hair, it's never going to like budge, it's not going to move, it's completely glueless. What you want to make sure is you have the cap size in your actual size. So the way to do this is you're going to take these little hoops, these little hooks, and put them through the hoop. But I have a smaller cap size, so what I like to do is I bring it all the way to the opposite side with both of them. this is really going to make the cap completely small and snug to my head. You also have this strap inside that you can tighten. So this is going to make the cap size even smaller. And so now let me put it on my head and see what it looks like. See, that is so much tighter. So this wig is snug against my head. The lace is nowhere to be seen because the lace is so pressed against my skin, because the cap is the perfect size now. It's like really pressed against my forehead. If you guys see, there is a little bit of dots. I think this is lightly bleached. They don't claim that it's bleached or anything. They don't claim that the knots is bleached, but I feel like it is lightly done because you can see like this almost orangey tint. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a little bit of an orangey tint, which just means that they bleached the lace. So this way, those little dots along like the hairline is not as visible. You can see right here, this is my natural hairline. Because the lace doesn't come all the way ear to ear, you're going to see a little bit of your own hair underneath, but that is so easy to just like cover up. If you guys have been wondering how to wash these wigs, like how to take care of them, inside of the box, they always come with like user guides. So this is going to share with you guys how to lay down your wigs, how to wash them, how to take care of them. And if you guys are wondering what I like to use, I love to go in with my Redkins, but yeah, this looks so realistic. So let's see how well it does with some heat. I'm going to go in with my curling iron and we are going to see how well it does. This has been my new obsession. This is so easy on wigs. If you guys have a lot of wigs and you guys want to take care of your wigs really well, you're going to want to get yourself like a T3. These ones are meant to like save your hair. You can use really high heat onto your hair and it's like custom to your own specific hair. So what I do is I'll go in and customize it every single time I have a different wig. If my wig is a little bit thicker, then I'll put in that it's thicker and it knows exactly how much heat to give off. These curling irons are meant to be customized. Every single time you have a different wig on or you have different hair or whatever texture, it's customized to your hair. So this has been my absolute best friend, especially the fact that I don't know how to curl my hair. Like I'm really bad at it. I'm going to try, but like I'm really bad and this just rotates for me. So if you guys are wondering why all of a sudden I'm gonna have like a whole bunch of T3 products, because they're so customizable to your specific hair, and that's why I'm gonna be showing a lot of T3. I went ahead and did like this big Amazon purchase, and that's the only type of products now that I'm using onto my wigs. It's like a game changer. So we have now taken this from straight to wavy. You guys can see my hair looks super healthy, it looks super shiny, and it didn't damage the wig at all. But anyway, if you guys want this wig or you guys want any type of wigs that's going on in their March sale right now, make sure to go check out the March 11 in the search bar, or I'll leave all the links to this wig and anything I discussed into this video in the description box down below. It'll always be in the description box, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did and you guys want to see a little bit more about SHEIN wigs and you guys want to see more videos on that, I have a whole playlist, so you guys can click right here and that's going to bring you straight to the playlist. You can check out all the wigs I've ever reviewed. They're so good. I have everything from like blonde wigs to headband wigs to everything. That is all going to be here, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye guys.